great to have you with us on this level flight to New York. My name is Christine, your purser on board. I'd like to tell you about your flight with us today. If seated in premium, we'll be serving you dinner with a snack before landing. In the economy cabin, we'll also be doing so to those of you who have pre-ordered a meal or have a meal included in your fare. Meals offered in both cabins comes with cold and hot drinks included, with your choice of water, soft drinks, wine or beer, and tea or coffee. Any other drinks like spirits outside the meal service may be purchased from our buy-on-board selection. This includes a wide range of drinks, snacks, and sandwiches. Just ask one of us as we come through the cabin. Other products available are earphones and the level comfort kit, which includes a blanket, an inflatable pillow, and an amenities kit. These items may also be purchased separately too. We also have a wide selection of duty-free items after the meal service. For the passengers who have pre-ordered a meal, we kindly ask you to advise one of the cabin crew if your seat have changed. Thank you. Due to a technical issue, our onboard Wi-Fi is not available today. We're sorry for any inconvenience this may cause you. Our cabin crew will offer you the possibility to buy our buy-on-board section from the cards as we pass in the aisle. We'll now pass through the cabin with immigration cards. Get in touch with one of us if you have any questions or need any help. The flight time today will be 7 hours and 15 minutes, and we should be landing in New York at approximately 22:08 p.m. local time. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight with us.